the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG G8X ThinQ for AT&T. So the G8X ThinQ is a new phone for AT&T. The phone is available now as of November 1st. So when this video goes live, it will be available to purchase. I'm recording this video on Halloween, so do keep that in mind. So y'all guys will see special offers shit during this video. But yeah, there's a phone right there. It looks very nice. This is a flagship phone, of course. You know, this phone has the dual screen capabilities with the accessory and shit, so that's pretty cool. So there's the front there in front. Y'all guys have your teardrop notch, your power button on the right side, volume keys on the left, and your Google Assistant key also on the left side as well. It's available in Aurora Black, 128 gigabytes of storage. The phone is currently free if you guys get it now, or it's $26 a month regularly. So yeah, I don't know how long that's gonna last. The full retail price of this phone is $779.99. Full retail price for the G8X on AT&T. So do keep in mind, y'all guys will see pre-order here during the video here. But when this video goes live, the phone will be available to purchase. So don't freak out if you guys see this video on the 1st and y'all guys see pre-order. Don't freak out. The phone will be available to purchase when this video goes live on YouTube. So keep that in mind. Like I said, I'm recording this video on Halloween. So yeah. So anyways, it has the compatible with LG dual screen, which I suggest you guys get that for this phone. Anyways, it'll be one of the accessories that you guys will get for this phone, which is worth getting because that'd be the only reason why y'all would get this phone anyway. The LG G8X ThinQ has 6.4-inch OLED display, 32 megapixel front facing camera, holy shit, 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel rear facing cameras. So pretty good specs there. Let's continue. It says here the LG G8X ThinQ and LG dual screen doubles your screen real estate, giving you the ability to do multiple things at once, run multiple apps at once, to discover entirely new and seamless ways to watch, share, and shop. Turn one screen into a control pad to gain an edge over the other. It says turn one screen into a control pad to gain an edge over other gamers, or use that screen as a viewfinder to breathe new life into your photography. With so many to multitask, LG G8X ThinQ and LG dual screen will transform your mobile experience. So yeah, the dual screen accessory will be sold separately. So do keep that in mind. That was only if you pre-order the phone, y'all guys got the dual screen accessories included. But if you guys buy this phone after that, you will have to pay for it separately. I don't know how much it is by itself. I don't know. Shouldn't be that much, but we'll see. So y'all guys have the ability to do a lot with this phone. You know, this phone's fucking awesome, dude. I wish I had my hand on this fucking phone. So there's some videos about the phone here if you guys want to check them out. There's a phone right there with the two screens there. There is the dual screen accessory there. So it's pretty cool. On the front of the dual screen accessory, y'all guys have a little window for your the notifications and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. So there's the front and back of the phone there. You guys have the back of the dual screen case and stuff. So it has a big cutout to access your camera, flash, and stuff like that, and has the LG logo on the back of the case. That's front of the phone right there. You guys see back to the LG G8X. You guys have dual cameras, camera flash, G8X ThinQ logo, the LG logo there on the back. There's no carrier branding on this, which is pretty good. There is the left side of the phone. Like I said, you have your volume keys and your Google Assistant key there on the left. Right side will have your power key on the bottom of the LG G8X. You guys have headphone jack, which is nice. Type-C charging, and your speaker on top of the phone, which is right here. You probably will have a noise cancellation microphone there. Specs on this phone, like I said, they're pretty good specs. Your dimensions of the G8X is 6.27 inches, 3 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth there. The frame rate is 6.77 ounces. I don't know if that's what the dual screen accessory or not. Display, like I said, 6.4 inches. That is 1080 by 2340. So not quite like quad HD, but still pretty damn good. Okay. It's OLED display, so that's really good. Cameras are 12 megapixel with an f.18 aperture lens. That's your standard camera. Then your wide angle camera is 13 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture lens. There's your video captures. You can record at 4K. Yeah, 4K. Yeah. You can record at 4K here, according to this, at 30 and 60 frames, so that's nice. You have your video playbacks there. Front-facing camera is 32 megapixels only. That's a lot of pixels on the front. You have story shot, studio, YouTube live, night view, portrait, makeup, my avatar, manual camera, scene video, slow mo panorama, flash jump cut, live photo, stickers, auto shot, gesture shot, burst shot, timer, quick share, quick video editor there. Y'all guys can read what they are. I'm not gonna be doing that here. Battery is 4,000 mAh battery, non-removable. 20 hours of talk time, 23 hours of standby, 23 days of standby time. It does have wireless charging, fast charging. It does have Qualcomm quick charge on there. I don't know what version it is. Time to take the charge to 50%, 40 minutes, and up to 100%, about 120 minutes there. Snapdragon 855, of course, so that's the flagship chipset for 2019. So that's the one. This is a flagship phone, of course, but the display, it's not that bad. It's Full HD plus, but it's still not that bad. Octa-core processor, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 2 terabyte micro SD, 6 gigabytes of RAM, Android Pie there on board. I do think this phone will be Android 10. I don't know when it will though, which it should. There's your wireless bands there. It's a world device, which is quad-band AC, voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11, ABG and AC, I and R. Wi-Fi, dual-band Wi-Fi. It does have NFC. Bluetooth is Bluetooth. I think it's 5.0, maybe 5.0 Bluetooth. I'm not sure. It's mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. It takes a nano SIM card there. Your AT&T apps. There's a lot. You have AT&T Call Protect, AT&T apps, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Secure Family, AT&T Protect, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, Drive Mode, Device Help, Setup and Transfer, Business Voicemail, Direct TV, Remote AT&T TV. You have AT&T TV, Direct TV, CNN, Bluetooth Report, BNR Live Games. Holy shit! And then LG apps. You have App Trash, Calculator, which is a Google Calculator, Clock, Contacts, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Duo, File Manager, Game Launcher, Gmail, Google Search, Google Pay, HC Audio Recorder, LG Pay, LG Smart World, Maps, music, photos, play movies and TV, play music, play store, quick memory plus, sheets, smart cleaning, task, voice search. Alright, so you have a lot of apps on there. So that's pretty cool. So you have Google Pay and LG Pay on there, so that's pretty cool. You get additional apps like Amazon Shop, Facebook, Walmart Grocery, and YouTube, of course. My AT&T is your account app, which lets you, which actually provides fast, easy, accurate, my AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. It has games. It has DC Universe, Great Big Story, Game of Thrones, Conquest. That's pretty cool. And you have Google Chrome as your default browser. Alright, so you do have a lot of apps on there. You might have games on the phone, but you might have to download the games if you guys are interested. So, yeah, your sensors are accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light, fingerprint, proximity, compass, and barometer. Your messaging there, music is LG Music and Google Play Music there. Accessibility, sustainability, product codes there. What's in the box is the AC adapter, USB-C cable, and quick start guide there. So yeah, there you guys have LG G8X ThinQ. Now available at AT&T as of today, November 1st. It's available now for free. If you guys get it now, it's regularly $26 a month for the phone, but if you guys get it now, y'all guys can get it for free. The full retail price of the G8X is $779.99 for AT&T. Also, this phone's also coming to Sprint next Friday the 8th of November, so stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.